同学们, today we are going to talk about how to use MOTE to record your voice over or to record a voice response in your Google Slide assignment. So when you see this, our unit slide 3, you might be like, oh, what's this? I'm confused. So I first want to play it for you. 1. After you listen to the Unit 5 Dialogue 1, please record your own voice over this dialogue. Start. 谁呀？是我王鹏，还有李友，请进，请进，快进来。Okay, you see this is like Google Chrome add-on, which you can use to put voice comments, also to give responses in your Google slideshow. So you don't need to go different places like Seesaw or another recording app, and I can give you response directly on it, which saves us a lot of click and make it easier and clear. So how you gonna install it? First, you can go to Google Chrome Web Store because it's a Chrome add-on. I assume everyone has a Chromebook as school give you, and then you will be able to use that. So click on that. I already installed. If you haven't, so probably you haven't. So click on add-on to Chrome. After you add on to Chrome, go back to the slide, refreshing once, refresh. And then after you refresh, sometimes it didn't show up. You can just click on here. You click pin or unpin it. It will show up on your toolbar here. So after you add on it, you can just click on my recording, and then when you want to record a reply, you just click here and read over it. 谁呀？是我王鹏，还有李友，请进，请进。And click done. Takes it a little bit time to think, but you can just click reply here. And sometimes you found like, sorry, the slides go. Sometimes you find it will automatically transcript for you because it's automatically transcribed into English, which will be annoying if you are using this to do Mandarin or other language speaking exercises. So for me, it's very easy. I just click turn this off, enable voice transcript. I don't need it. If you want to leave a note for me, it's like, okay, Miss Jo, I don't really know. I don't know how to pronounce or how to say a word like water. Like, I'm not very sure. Then I can leave you another voice note to say the word again. It will give you more clear ideas, and you can click reply as usual. Or you can just delete it. I will delete all these comments. So listen. 请进，请进. And so another thing you need to pay attention is wait a few seconds after you click record, because sometimes it has delay. Okay, so clear. After you record, just leave it here. Then I will go into the recording to give you feedback and give you grade based on that. 好的，谢谢，再见。